Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and immediately isolating the text area. Use a duplicate layer so your original stays intact. Once done, pick a precise selection tool, pen for sharp edges, quick select for complex shapes, and refine the edge by 0. 5-2px feathering to avoid hard seams. Make sure to sample nearby background colors and enable snapping or guides to keep alignment. This foundation saves time later and ensures your edits blend naturally with the existing background, texture, and lighting. Next, you remove the original text while preserving background continuity. Apply content-aware fill for simple areas and switch to clone stamp when repeating patterns need exact matches. After removal, heal remaining artifacts with the patch or healing brush tool, sampling nearby texture often. Then make sure to match brightness and contrast by tweaking levels or curves, and gently dodge or burn to preserve directional light. This combined reconstruction keeps texture, grain, and perspective consistent, so added text will look native to the photo. Finally, you add new text on its own layer and choose a font and size that match the scene, set tracking and leading to mirror original spacing. Once placed, transform the layer. Use perspective, distort, or warp to align with plane and apply slight Gaussian blur if background depth requires it. Then blend using overlay, multiply, or color dodge as needed and tweak color balance to match ambient tones. If things go wrong, undo to the duplicate layer and redo the reconstruction step with a smaller clone brush to fix seams quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.